Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two Holy Stone drones that we will be comparing. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. First up, we have the Holy Stone HS440 drone. This compact drone comes with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that can be controlled remotely or through the app. With a wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees adjustable angle, you can capture breathtaking aerial shots from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a beach or a family reunion, the hydrogen sulfide can handle it all. Now, let's take a look at the Holy Stone GPS drone. This drone weighs less than 250 grams, making it extremely lightweight and perfect for hassle-free flying in the States without the need for FAA or remote ID registration. The HS440 drone offers a 1080p HD camera, while the GPS drone boasts a 4K UHD camera. Both cameras offer stunning image quality, but if you're looking for the highest resolution and more detailed footage, the GPS drone takes the lead. When it comes to battery life, both the HS440 drone and the GPS drone offer a flight time of up to 20 minutes. You can capture your adventures without interruptions. In terms of portability, the HS440 drone's foldable frame and included carrying case make it easy to transport and take on the go. The GPS drone, on the other hand, is extremely lightweight and doesn't require FAA or remote ID registration, making it hassle-free to fly. Both drones excel in terms of portability, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. The Holy Stone HS440 drone has received positive reviews for its compact size, HD camera, and user-friendly design. Customers have praised its durability and customer service. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone is appreciated for its lightweight design, 4K camera, and hassle-free flying experience. Customers have mentioned positive experiences with customer service as well. And there you have it, a comparison of the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the Holy Stone GPS drone. Both drones offer impressive features and capabilities, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got you covered. See you next time.